So how do you climb Mont Blanc? There are multiple routes up Mont Blanc. You've got but the normal routes are the Goûter route, which is the route that I'm currently at right now, and the one that is most common for us at Life Happens Outdoors. You've also got the Three Summits route, and you've got the Italian normal route. These are the three most common routes. And then there are others, of course, like the Royal Traverse and some of the pillars on the south face. But in terms of the normal routes, it's one of these three. Climbing the Mont Blanc requires some technical ability. So part of the course here, what we do is we ensure that we are trained up on some of the most basic parts of alpinism, how to walk with a rope party, how to use the crampons, how to use the ice axe, how to communicate with one another, how to listen to and understand instructions. This is very important. And we do so over a series of technically more challenging summits that are in lower altitude, so that when we bring you up here, you'll find that it is technically easier, but of course physically more challenging because it's a much larger endeavor that we're going out to undertake. But the key to climbing the Mont Blanc is to be able to walk, of course. You have to really want it, and you have to be in good physical condition. And ultimately, with all things mountains, to have an open mind.